Today I want to explain the angular contact ball bearing. Let us focus on the mounting arrangement of the angular contact ball bearings. The angular contact ball bearing was widely used in the many industrial fields, such as centrifugal pump, and compressor, propeller, and agitator, machine tool spindle. The most popular mounting arrangement is DB, back-to-back mounting. There are two angular contact. They are exactly same angular contact ball bearing. Is the same model number. The angular contact ball bearings have the two sides is different. One side is thicker, the other side is the same. Let us see this picture. This is the typical angular contact ball bearings, and you can see this side, the outer ring is the same, and this side, the outer ring is thicker. So let us explain the back-to-back mounting arrangement. And this is a very popular mounting arrangement. Why is it popular? Let me explain. This mounting arrangement greatly enhances the tilting stiffness. And let me explain why. When in the bearing mounted in the centrifugal pump or compressor, there are many directions force. For example, there are force from this direction. There are force in direction, and because there are contact angle here. This is the contact angle of the angular contact ball bearings, and because there was an arc and a contact angle, here was an arc in this place, and this arc can resist the force from here. And for another example is if the force come from here, come from here, and then this arc, and there was a contact angle. This arc can resist the force from this force. This arc can resist the force from this place. So, and for another example is if the force come from here, and this arc can resist the force from here, and also if the force come from here, and then this arc can resist the force from here, and this is why, and the therapy of enhanced tilting stiffness of the angular contact ball bearings of the back-to-back mounting arrangement. And for details, I want to explain the preload. Normally, the angular contact ball bearings was mounted by pairs, and when mounting, and we should add a preload on the angular contact ball bearings. There are three types of the preload. One is light preload, and the second is medium preload. The third is heavy preload. There are three types of the preload, and the light preload can enhance the tilting stiffness. Is small. The heavy preload enhance the tilting stiffness is big. And the second, I want to say the contact angle of the angular contact ball bearings. Here is a contact angle. Normally there are three types of the contact angle, and one is 15 degrees, and the two is 25 degrees, and the three is 40 degrees, and there are big difference among the three types. If you want to the bearing used in the higher speed, and we shall use 15 degrees, and if they are not high speed, and we can use 40 degrees. But 40 degrees can resist big actual load. We can see this picture, and the 40 degrees can resist 4 kN actual load. But 15 degrees can resist a small actual load. So we can see clearly from this picture. This is the velocity, speed, RPM, and the 15 can run in high speed, 20,000 RPM. So let me link the point. So we can see clearly if the application is high speed and with small actual load, let us select the 15 degree contact angle. If the speed is not so high, such as 10,000 RPM, and need resist higher actual load, then we select 40 degree contact angle. Okay, let me have your comments.